Welcome to video series 8. This video is going to be really amazing for you people if you want to bring changes as a mother-in-law and as a daughter-in-law. Because the tips what Muhammad has mentioned in this book, When the Two Seas Meet, is mind-blowing. And I'm sure if you start following these tips, you as a mother-in-law will become the super awesome mother-in-law in the world. So coming back to the video, after all the festivities and the hard work, a mother-in-law sits back relaxed with the expectation that she is going to have all the rest of her life spent together with her daughter-in-law and her son. Of course, that sigh of relief and the smile of accomplishment on her face is seen when she sees that she has got the right match for her son. But eventually, some other emotions start sneaking into these relations. Maybe as human beings, it is something natural and there's nothing strange about it. So, maybe like uncertainty or a kind of insecure feeling, or maybe a kind of hesitation that she has. So, these emotions are getting overlapped and gets restless in the life. That's how a mother-in-law feels maybe somewhere insecure, and that, as I told in the previous video also, somewhere she finds she is insecure about her own position, or maybe she feels that she is losing her command or control over her son. As mothers, we also feel the same. This is maybe due to the sudden shift or that transition period from a mother's post into a mother-in-law's post. She becomes unrealistic sometimes in her approach. She starts expecting too much, maybe the sky high expectations she keeps. So, but most of the time, these expectations are going to end up having disasters in life. It is going to bring nothing but disappointments. So, what are the things a mother in law should take care? If you are a mother in law, take care of these simple 5 tips to see that you are bringing a very good relationship in your family and your daughter in law will start liking you. So, what is that first step? Genuinely show that love and affection to your son and your daughter in law equally. I know it's hard, but as Muhammad has already mentioned, this will inspire your daughter in law, reciprocate the same kind of feelings and love and affection towards you also. Secondly, never expect too much or never expect perfection from anybody. We all have to understand that we humans are imperfect. Perfection is the attribute of only Almighty, not any one of us. We all have our own shortcomings and our own loopholes. We have to overcome them one by one, and it takes time. So, we human beings have to understand each other that we all have one or the other shortcomings in us. Very important point what Muhammad has highlighted here is about privacy. I too have come across many people who come to me for counseling, and I realized that in-laws are not giving the newlywed couple the privacy that they need. Allow them to have privacy. Let them talk alone, understand each other, know each other, how to live together. That's how honor and respect begins from the heart. Next, as a mother-in-law, spend some insightful moments with your daughter-in-law. Share those feelings and emotions or your past memories, whatever you had with your daughter-in-law, so that you can have a very good bonding between each other. And last but not the least, pray for your daughter-in-law the same way as you pray for your son. Yes, do that every day, every prayers. It matters a lot, and this is going to make you an awesome mother-in-law. Hope you will like this video. If you have not watched the previous video, do watch them again. The link is given in the description box. Do like, share and subscribe the channel and help me to reach out to more people. I want to help all those families to bring that bonding together, to have that relationship stronger and make life easier.